Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm glad you're here. I'd like to take a minute and say thank you for supporting the channel and hitting the subscribe button. I really appreciate it. This is going to be my 3-day prep. Tuesday night, Wednesday and Thursday. I hope you enjoy it. That's the first thing I do. I mix the sourdough and then I'll start laminating the croissant dough. This is the beauty of coming in on Tuesday night, just to mix this dough, cinnamon bun dough, and take puff pastry out for sausage roll. So that's the plan of Wednesday. Water-lacing, laminating, and then cinnamon bun. Take this to the freezer. But the struggle I had during these three years and stuff, it taught me a lot. I had to reinvent myself in many ways so I can make it work. So I put myself in a position that I have to make it work. Because I think if you put yourself in a position like one step in, one step out, you need to just go back to the norm, to the feel, just grab it and go with it and make it work. But if you put yourself in a position that you need to make it work, there's no way out, you have to make it work. And if you find a way, if there's a will, there's a way. And there is a way. So every time I'm in a situation like, okay, what's going on here? I just remind myself there is a way. I had lots of occasions. I remember one of the first time I had like issue, if you like. A couple of years ago, first time I got the ovens. I had the timers. Always a very good timer. And I came in 3 a.m. One of the time it blew off, I couldn't use the oven. So I had to think to myself, what can I do here? I can go home, send emails to the customer. That was the first thought. I don't remember exactly. I can just go home, sit down like this time, 3 a.m., email to the customer and say, I can't deliver today because oven's not working, blah, blah, blah. I said, no, what else can I do? Because I had that small oven at Dexter, which is pastry, I use for pastry. I used to bake with it at home before I had the rack masters. I said, maybe I can use this oven. So I had tins. I baked tin. It took me longer, but I did everything. No one knew what happened because my oven broke down. I found a solution and I delivered, and today was successful. So it's always finding a way to solve the problem. Obviously, sometimes not the case. Sometimes you just can't solve it. You have to accept, but there's always a way. Now it's time to make chocolate and pan raisin. This is sort of a quick job-ish. Strip the other side. Perfeito. Oh, this so delicious. I used to make pan raisin with pastry cream. Now I've changed, I've tweaked. It's just much easier, but more nicer, I believe. Thursday. Basically, this is the essential work to do on Thursday, making bread, and take all the work I've done on Wednesday, pastries from the freezer, and put in the fridge for tomorrow. And then tomorrow just get in, proof, bake, and make some white on the same day. White loaf, the signature, my signature white loaf I make on the same day. The rest I do a day or two ahead. Sausage rolls, cinnamon buns, croissants. But if I make almond croissants, I do on the same day. And that's a wrap. Thank you for watching. I hope it adds some value to you. Thank you for your support. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to help the channel to grow.